Welcome, today we're going to show you how to use the government.uk ID check app. So the first thing you need to do is to download the app. So if you're using an iPhone, it must be running an iOS 15 or higher and be either an iPhone 6 or new if your photo ID is a UK driving license. Also it needs to be iPhone 7 or newer if you're using any other type of photo ID. So for Android phone, for example Samsung or Google Pixel, it must be running an Android 10 or higher. Also, you need to follow these types of ID. So after that, for scanning QR codes, if you're using a computer or tablet and you want to use the government.uk ID check app to prove your identity, you'll be shown how to switch to your smartphone. So you need to scan a QR code to download the app. If you downloaded the app to your smartphone before, you can scan the same QR code to open it. After that, you need to link the government.uk ID check app to government.uk. So, to link the app, tap continue when you open the app and accept any sign-in prompts. And you need to tap the link app to continue button on the link this app to government.uk screen. Also, how to scan your photo ID. If you're using a UK driving license, you'll be asked to take a photo of your driving license. The photo will be taken automatically, so do not touch your screen while this is happening. Make sure that you are holding the license in the palm of one hand and your phone with the other hand. If you're having trouble taking the photo of the license while it's in your hand, place it on a dark matte background. Move the license away from bright sources of light to reduce glare. Also, you need to get your entire license inside the while frame. The same thing if you're using any other ID as see from here, it will be very the same. After that, you need to scan your face. So your face needs to be completely aligned with the oval on your screen. You need to look straight ahead and keep as still as you can while the scan happens. So that's it. That's how you use the government.uk ID check app. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.